That's what it says. It's never too late to start something new. So let's start it. Hey, and welcome back to Keeping Your Heart. My name is Renee, and I am so glad that you are here. If you haven't been here before, welcome. We're glad to have you. If you've been here before, welcome back. We're so glad that you joined us as well. And if you, let's see, what is the regular stuff? If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell, say likes, all that stuff. Okay, great. So Keeping Your Heart is all about those things that we do that help us to be able to take care of ourselves, regulate, organize, enjoy life, so that when someone who is in distress is in front of us, we're able to be present with them, walking alongside in their healing journey. That means we get to do all kinds of fun stuff like card making and bullet journaling and painting and all kinds of great things like that. Recently, I have been really leaning hard into some of my card making since we are distanced from so many people. So I have subscribed to a couple of card kits, and I'm currently working through those and learning how to do new techniques in card making. And so this is a Tonic box unboxing. Wait, a Tonic kit unboxing for you. So go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and skip on to that so you can see the unboxing. The thing about these is I don't ever look at the stuff ahead of time, and I try to avoid any other reveal videos because I really like to honestly be surprised as I'm looking at stuff. So go ahead and take a look at this one, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye. All right, so we're going to open up our Tonic craft kit that we just got this morning here. So this is exciting. This is number 38. Our full, oh, there's all kinds of goodies in this one too. Fun. Put all this to the side. Get our papers out. Excellent. Okay. Let's start with some papers here and looking for the card that tells me what's in here. So this is the Floral Wallet Gift and Stamp Set number 38. So this is nice. Not that I'm giving anybody a whole lot of gift cards for Christmas, but it's actually super cute. Look at that. All right, so let's start here with our papers. Oh wow, that's so pretty. So pretty. All right, so here's this would be the frosted silver mirror card. Beautiful. So I'm guessing this is the ivory sheen pearlescent card. I don't know which one this one is. Let's see. Silver silk. Yep. Beautiful texture there. You can see. All right, so we've got our classic card in spearmint green. Nice. And then this would be our blue frost. So that actually has like it is kind of blue. I'm trying to figure out what we could put it next to so you could see that. There's some blue in that. And then this would be the specialty paper in yellow bamboo. Very interesting with the stitching. Very interesting. And then I might have gotten some of this wrong. Maybe this one was water sprite. Maybe this one, I don't know. Oh yeah, this would be water sprite. Okay, and then this one would be the, I don't know. Someone better at this than me needs to help me out. It says there's iridescent mirror card, and then there's mirror card of frosted silver. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the frosted silver. Yes. Okay, so this was the frosted silver, and then this one was the water sprite, and then that would make this one the amber yellow. All right, cool. So we've got the nice selection of what's kind of blue, green, and silver, and yellow. So that's fun. Excellent. And so we have some Nuvo adhesive tape runner. I've never used this before, so that'll be fun. I can never have too many tape runners, that's for sure. I'm going to go ahead and open up our, oh, I've never had the jewel drops, so this is cool. I've been seeing a lot about this from some of the other crafters, and this is dimensional translucent tints to your paper craft products. So let me see if I can find a piece of scrap paper here. Oh yeah, that's cool. So it's translucent, and my understanding too is you can use that to fill in some, to put layers of translucent glaze on things too. So you see that dot that's there, and oh, very cool, neat. And that is in lemon yellow. Neat. Then we've got some Enchanted Eden Pure Sheen glitter. It's cool. It's got a lot of blue and yellow in that, as well as the green, but you can definitely see blues and yellows. And this, I don't even know what this is. Mica Mist. Oh. Shimmer Sparkle to Creative Project. Okay. Shake before use. This is Barrel Swirl. Looks like I'm gonna need to get some. So I know it's not white paper, but it's the envelope I have nearby, so we'll use it. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, there is some shimmer. That'll be interesting to see how that dries. I can see that a little bit more. It's kind of nice. It gives a little distressed effect, but with some shimmer. So it's fun. Oh, yep, there we go. Yep, I'm seeing that. Oh, that's cool. All right. 2 more. This is the Metrograve Nuvo Hybrid. That's nice. That is I don't think I even own a gray stamping ink. That's cool. Ooh, golden shimmer embossing powder. This looks awesome. And it's actually super golden sunflower. That is cool. I don't have many pigmented embossing powders, so I'm just getting into using those, but look how fun that is. That is gonna be so great for especially springtime type cards. Very cool. And then the part that's always actually my favorite is our folder here. So we'll see our sticker. It's never too late to start something new. Very cool. Nice for 2021, right? Never too late. Excellent. Put this to the side. So these are the pieces for the gift wallet. So to make the folder and then the different pieces. This will be fun. I'm going to have to watch tutorials because I don't actually know how to use this. And then these are the pieces that would go in here, I think. So much fun. All right, so this is it's your birthday. My gift to you, a little gift for someone special, packed with hugs and sealed with kisses. Super cute. And a little bird told me. Fun. So you can see that with those green and yellow, just really nice springtimey colors going on there. So there's the examples. How fun that is. And very cool. And then here are some other stamps here. So a little something, treat yourself, hey birthday boy, hey birthday girl. For someone special, you can't buy happiness. You deserve this. Without plastic. Well done. Oh, you can't buy happiness without plastic. That's very cool. I don't have anything like this, so this will be fun to play with. And I actually am thinking that what I might do is turn this into a photo wallet with some of the specialty papers so that people, we can send pictures in this and memories. And this is, instead of just a gift card, I think that might be really fun to do it that way. So we'll see what I come up with. And if they're really good, I'll put them on the Etsy shop. All right, so there it is. Neat stuff. Looking forward to trying it out. Certainly some fun springy type colors going on there. We'll be very interested to see how that all plays out. I'm thinking, I don't do a ton of gift cards, so I'm kind of thinking that what I'm going to be using it for is for sending out some of my washi tape collections. So I do this a lot where I take my playing cards and add washi tape around it and send those to people. And so this seems like it'd be a really cool kind of happy mail thing. So I actually am accepting new pen pals right now. So if you are interested in being pen pal, feel free to comment below and I will send you my PO box and we can send things back and forth. And I am in the month of January really do want to do a pen pal with me. So if you're interested in that, please put that in the comments below. And I'm thinking about doing a couple of happy mail giveaways like I did I think it was last year or maybe the year before in February. I don't remember. It's all run together. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check out things on my website right here. And feel free, of course, if you've made any cards with this kit and you'd like to show them to me, please tag me in Instagram here. Here are a couple of videos that might be of interest to you, and I hope that I get to see you soon on this channel. And most importantly, don't forget to keep your heart. Bye.